it there, you're gonna love it, I swear. You won't ever be annoyed of enjoy. And make some noise.
Some noise.
Make 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 some noise. You wanna see Peppino Pommel make some noise?
That's right! I'm back, baby! And let me hear you make some noise! They thought they could get rid of me. Boy, were they wrong. Now it's time for Peppino to be secondary. Noises calling, pick up phone is what they heard. But no, they decided to leave me on red. Well, too bad, cause I ain't no hand. Playing foreign is what I heard. So movers have Peppino's have to polish his turn. I'm number one, that ain't no surprise. Get ready for Jesus, have to beat your demise. Rolling, running, flying up a bunch of gorgons watching me though my kickflip while I crash. Peppino he then miss. Tonterías is what they keep saying, but they should know better than to hold this freight train. Whoa! Look at these ratings! We're blowing up! Well, I guess this is what the fans want, then let's give it to them! Noises calling, pick up phone is what they heard. But no, they decided to leave me on red. Well, too bad, cause I ain't no hit. Want me doing my silly tricks? I better pop for laser tick. Want me so with all this flair? Number one rated debonair.
Moment you've been waiting for, gonna make it to the door. Forget about your pizza time, now it's noises time to shine. Noises earring, ticking clocks, noises not giving up. Noises quick and coming through, noises running over you. Noises earring, ticking clocks, noises not giving up. Noises quick and coming through, noises running over you. Out of the way, the superstars on the move, blasting through and grooving to these funky tunes. Not a care in the world, cause I'm the best. Should've given me a harder stage to test. Italian man got nothing on me. I race to the ends, they panic and flee. They scream while I'm singing my odes to joy. Tell Pizza Face and Poison got some new toys, so bring the noise! Dropping bombs across the detonation, come and suck on my dictation. Call me Cheeto, candy eater, always fair in film and theater. Noises nimble, noises quick, noises lighting up the wick.
Oh, I get it, like the wick of a candle.
Noises shooting through the air, noises flying with no care, noises never being stopped, noises coming out on top. I'm putting aside the chaos, so better order up. Announcing huge layoffs, cause I'm just higher up. Call me a master skater, I'm flipping bows and boards. There's no debating that I deserve all the awards. Putting aside the chaos, so better order up. Announcing huge layoffs, cause I'm just higher up. Call me a master skater, I'm flipping bows and boards. There's no debating that I deserve all the awards. Feeling free and filled with glee when I'm going on a batty popping spree. Got a lot of time till the pizza's here. I'll fit a few more rhymes and there's no fear. I'll flaunt and taunt as much as I want. Pizza Face is busy blowing up restaurants, but he can't beat me in demolition. Sorry folks, wait for permission. Where was I again? Time is almost up. Folks, we have some complications, shows going through alterations due to somebody's certain needs. We're playing programs at 2 times speed. Keep it running, keep it live. I took a bit too many fires, but you know me, I won't abort, so the noise will never be cut short. The stage is set for victory, don't name this level after me. Got every trick up on my sleeves, I already feel the leaves. The wall of film is catching fire, volumes being cranked up high. I'll shower in fame and acclaim. Pizza Face will scream my name.
Noise! Noise! Come back here, noise!
Classic noise.
Better than noise. I will win this, no not one miss. I have power on this tower, noise won't cower. So here I go, Watery Hotel. I am insane, that is the thing, it's in my name. I don't care what I have to win, cause I'm the noise, a silly old boy. Time to have fun, stuff can be done. Go with the flow. Panic, well no!
Tapping the dough is my big foe. That's no big deal. Craziness is what I feel. Uh-oh, here comes your worst scariest fear. Your fate inside loses totally near. I'm rad, I'm bad, there's no doubt about that. I walk over you just like a weak old rat. Found your role, ain't alone, better than shown. I will attack, bad contact, noisy noises will help keep me set. Still don't need them. Go ahead, no, you're right on track. Soon your fame and fortune will go on back. Well, okay, I guess that will probably help. But I'll still get out of this like this I am. District, oh yeah, District, oh let's go. District, oh yeah, District, oh let's go. District, oh yeah, District, oh let's go. District, oh yeah, dancing, let's go. This ain't no big deal for me. Just like us pushing a small beat. All the battles that I fight will never see a good light. This will lead into the night. Pizza face won't be right. This still kills me to the bone. But noise is calling, pick up phone. Never had this energy, but it makes me feel happy. Don't underestimate me. Losing laughing just ain't that true. I don't know what it is after all. Doing this and having a ball. I'm the best one out of them all. I'm the one who makes the call. Noise, you thought you'd win? I didn't kill my fellow pin. Your noise which I'll destroy. You will lose, you dumb little boy. You again, you won't stop following until lap 10. I'll still win this fair and square. Keep me backside if you dare. I don't have a single care, so you can stay and happily sit there. Time to finish this once and for all. You enjoy, me just fall. Yo, I'ma lead the show. Here's how it will go. I can see the door in my different eyes. I got everyone and I sure hope no one dies. Bye bye, I hope you all enjoyed my show. Now it's time to go.
Just call and pick a phone. Everybody, raise your voice. Got a simple choice. If you want some show and throw it, turn your CRT to MTV and keep it there. You gotta love it, I swear. You won't ever be annoyed of enjoy. And make some noise.
Some noise.
Make 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 some noise. You wanna see Peppino Pommel? Make some noise.
This guy. Hello, yellow guy. It is I, the Toys. Welcome to my super real TV show on DTV. Excuse me? Who the hell do you think you are? You think you can steal my show? Looks like someone that I know. You think you can copy me? Better than that, wait and see. Watch out! It's the Doys. I'm back in the flesh to silence some noise. What makes you tick? Just wait and see. Avoid annoying, but you can't avoid me. Wait a sec, you stole my bars. You wanna be bastard, you won't get far. There's only room for one of us, so I'm gonna crush you into dust. Threats don't work on me. I crave victory. Easier said than done. I am #1. Copies are the worst. I found this place first. Can you back that up? This redesign sucks. Alright, Faker. Give up while you still can. Faker? I think you're the fake faker around here. You compare yourself to me? You're not even good enough to be my thing. I'll make you eat those words! Taking over was an easy feat. I'll tell you what, Noise, I can't be beat. You're a cheater who blows up some cocks while I'm fair and square, hitting on the rocks. Think you'd come in and steal my style? Last time I was here, it seemed like a while. I don't take lightly to off-brand clones, so as a reward, I'll break your bones. Take you down with ease, on with bombs and cheese. I'm the better one, fight has just begun. Still, I was the first. You are just the worst. Take down my rubble, you're in trouble. Brace yourself, time to die. Losing health, you will cry. Take a bow, you will see. End this now. The true Noise is me. Now that I've left you nice and shook, I'll take your style and take your looks. You're a loser of a pre-K level, and you have lost to this blue daredevil. Once again, you're stealing my lines. I've beat a times tougher than you slime. And by the way, who's your friend?
Come here, Toys, this is your end.
Everybody, raise your voice. Got a simple choice. If you want some show and throw it, turn your CRT to MTV and keep it there. You gotta love it, I swear. You won't ever be annoyed of enjoy. And make some noise.
Some noise.
Make 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 some noise. You wanna see Peppino Pommel? Make some noise.
Guys, welcome to another nice vlog. And today I'm gonna rob the dollar store. But first, a word from our sponsor. Oh, what are you? Well, nice to meet you, my good sir.
Noises calling, pick a phone. Everybody, everybody, raise your voice. Got a simple choice. If you want some show and broiler, turn your CRT to NTV and keep it there. You gotta love it, I swear. You won't ever be annoyed. Enjoy and make some noise.
Some noise.
Make 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 some noise. You wanna see Peppino Pommel? Make some noise.
What?